Okay, this looks fully loaded, but something feels off. Whenever I check a car, like, the first thing I look for? The window sticker. And yeah, most people ignore it. It's basically the car's original info sheet. Like, not even kidding, it tells you how the car came from, the factory price, features, all that. You'll see the original price, MSRP, the trim, engine, fuel economy, even the extra stuff they added. So if someone says, "This is top spec," this is where you quietly double-check them. I've literally seen this happen. The guy says, "Full option, bro." Then you pull the sticker and it's like, bass audio, no driver assist, regular wheels. I mean, still a good car, but not what you were told.
Damn!
And yeah, most used cars don't even have the sticker anymore. But you can pull it with the VIN, super easy. Honestly, it can save you from overpaying. Small details, big difference.